In this video, we will learn how to create line chart in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some simple data with the financial year and profits. So just click on the insert tab. Here you see the charts group. In charts group, you get the line charts. Just select the line charts. Here you can see the blank chart is created. Just right click of the mouse, select the data. In legend entries, add, enter the profit. Okay, we want line of profit, then select the profit column, then okay. Here horizontal categories, edit, select the first column, then click on ok, then okay. That's it, chart is ready here. So here you can see in tab, the chart design tab is automatically added here. You can edit your chart as per your requirement. Here you can see the different chart style also available, color change also available for your charts. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.